Close your eyes softly, gently, and relaxingly, half closing your eyes without pressing your eyelids or squeeze your eyeballs. Take another moment to adjust your sitting posture to make sure that you are in the most comfortable position and you can feel all the muscles in your whole body more relaxed. Feel that you can breathe comfortably in this posture. We are returning to our natural state, returning our body to the nature and our mind back home. Our posture should reflect the nature around. Our back strong and tall, like a tree rooted into the ground, yet loose and free, like the loose leaves freely brushing the sky, flowing with the wind blows. With this firm foundation, our body will open for the air to flow in effortlessly. Feel the blood circulation flow freely, welcoming the connection to life all around. Welcome new fresh air in by breathing deeply. Take a deep breath in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Breathe in gently. Exhale slowly. Take another breath in to fill every cell of your body with the purity of nature. The breathing should be slow and deep enough for us to relax every cell of our body. Each breath brings life and energy to every cell. We will breathe slowly, deeply, and relaxingly. Let each part of the body be free. We shall no longer use the body for anything. We shall let it sit in nature, as nature. Be natural and at ease. Feel the entirety of the body, relaxing more and more. From now on, we will allow the body to simply rest and observe it. We only feel the increasing softness of relaxation all around the body parts. We shall observe without commentary, without any action, just to feel and to be with the nature. sensing that we are just in the nature, surrounded by fresh air, the greenery, the open space. We feel even more calm. Amid the nature, we feel warm and relaxed. Allow the pure, fresh air that surrounds us to come in, to blend together. Nature and body become as one. We may feel fresh air passing in, flowing through our light body. This feeling is soft. The way we blend with the light thin air is really soft. The way we blend, we bond with the fresh air, with nature. It is calm and peaceful. Blending with the nature will make us feel lighter. We become as light as the thin air. When we blend a little more, we feel more and more spacious, filling a vast, soft space in our own being. Now, we shall spend this time drifting along the softness a bit longer together. Drifting along with the flow of the nature. Let's do nothing for a little longer. Let's breathe deeply in and follow the movement of the in-breath. Feel the warmth of the breath flowing past the throat, the lungs, deeply down into our abdomen. The mind takes a journey along the breath. Using the awareness of the mind when the deep breath comes deeply into the abdomen. Let's feel this empty space in the abdomen. The center of the body is where the deep in-breath comes to an end. The turning point of our breath. At this point, the awareness of the mind is clear. Here at the end of the breath in the abdomen, here at the body center, holding our awareness of the mind in the center space, in the body center. Now we feel our own awareness of the mind being present right here in the center. Should the awareness disappear and reappear somewhere else, we just breathe deeply in again and let the awareness drift back into the center so easily and simple. It might not be so easy in the beginning, but once we know that the awareness should be in here, in peace, we can confirm the awareness of the mind in the body center at any time we wish at all. Now we feel the awareness of the mind in the center of the body. We shall stay still, remain still, in the form of the awareness of the mind. Stay still with the nature within. Let's be quiet while the mind centers itself in silence. Stay still together, being one with the nature outside and within. We may feel more and more still. The mind in the center has become very calm and more peaceful. This is the home of the mind. this natural place. Each time it comes back in here, the mind is at ease. It has returned home, safe and sound, soft and still. Please confirm that the mind is comfortable. The mind rests motionless in the center space. Within the center, the mind feels peace. The mind emerges indefinite volume of peace. Whatever experiences may be arising, expansion, vibration, or anything, one thing will be in common, that is peace. We feel more peace. We welcome the peace. We observe the peace. It's natural. When the mind touches the volume of peace, the mind becomes peaceful at its home. We shall rest deeper and deeper in the flow of peace and nature. From now to the end, we shall remain in this volume of peace till the end.